Didn't you have one of those boxing matches with Fury and you get into the ring, you box a bit, and then
And then you ask for investment.
I wouldn't want to get in the ring with you.
Hello amigos, and let me introduce you to CyberCity. It is a project that came up in an attempt to automate the work the team behind CyberCity is already doing for a living, which is web hosting, web design, and marketing. Now, what is CyberCity? It is a gamification-based web builder, but also a visitor builder, meaning that it allows people to create websites and get targeted visitors for free. Visitor builder is a new concept, and it is the thing that separates us from our competitors, and here's how it works. The members of CyberCity use a virtual currency called tokens. They use these tokens to purchase and maintain their website. They earn the tokens by actively contributing content to other websites within CyberCity platform. What it means, by being active in discussions, by uploading relevant photos and videos to other people, and by commenting on their blogs. This way they get the tokens that they can use to purchase and maintain their website. But if you don't have time to do all this, you can buy the required amount of tokens for 1 month of website maintenance for only $10. Now, if your website is within one of the niches that are promoted on CyberCity, you can expect other members that are interested in your niche to come and contribute content to you, because this is how they make tokens for themselves. In return, you get visitors. We are going to start with 6 compatible niches with the idea to improve, to raise 1 new niche per month until we have 25 niches that are within alternative lifestyle sector. The idea is that when a person comes to the website and sees a niche that they are interested in, they will be naturally drawn to other niches as well. We will get our first visitors, of course, to the regular channels, but also to a proprietary system we made, which is called the Lighthouse, and I can tell you about that later because it's a big kind of thing of its own. But I want to tell you about the money. Now, in order to reach our first $1 million of annual revenue, we're going to need only 350 paying members per niche. And we believe that we can get to this number in about 3 years' time. We are currently bootstrapping with the release of the demo version of our platform in about 2 months. After that, we will need an investment in order to scale to big markets like US, Canada, America, and so on. The team behind CyberCity is Igor, with over 12 years of experience in web hosting, web development. He's the founder. Irina, our marketing strategist, the co-founder. Our social media promoter, Marco, and myself, an entrepreneur with over 10 years of experience in multimedia. We are currently looking for strategic partners. We are looking for mentors, and of course investors to help us improve our product, give us further feedback, and of course give us some money in order to scale as we grow. Thank you. Everything. You get a complete website. So you get a full website that is ad-free. There's no advertising on the front end. You get a blog, you get a gallery, you get a video gallery, you get a shop. And photo.
Actually, I had a similar question. Like, what do you mean by maintaining the website? That was not clear. Like, what do you get in your proposal?
Well, it lasts you for a month. Basically, it should be more set subscription. For
in your presentation, it was not clear what you mean by you will get a website. So you mean to expand it. Like saying you'll get a shop and then you get hosting and ad screen. So that was not clear.
Okay. Right. So we should just promote that you get the full hosting and the website.
Yeah, all the details you get. What does the customer get?
Well, we meant that by saying just the builder.
Does not mean anything.
Yeah. Okay.
What does a web building mean to a person outside? Right, so you need to expand that. We'll get that feature.
So I have 2 questions. So number 1 question is, one is the question, one is the comment. So how do they get free traffic coming to their website? So isn't that one of the propositions? You get a website and then you get traffic to your website? How do I get traffic to their website? I don't get that. How do you generate traffic?
How do we generate traffic?
Yeah.
There are people on CyberCity who create websites, and there are also members of CyberCity. Both groupations can get tokens. These tokens can be spent for more things than just the website. This is to explain the basic idea. In order to get the tokens, you are going to visit somebody's website and be active on it. Now, if you have several hundred different websites, you're going to go to those that are interesting to you because, you know, why would you earn tokens visiting something that you're not really into if you can go into something that you're interested in? The whole idea is why we are targeting the alternative niches is that alternative societies are very clustered and oriented towards each other. And they're extremely interested into each other. And this is where the concept of a lighthouse comes in, where we're going to get the first traction before we go fully public. It's a little bit complicated to explain it now, but it basically comes down to this. For example, in a steampunk society, you have a celebrity called Kato. Kato has 300,000 followers of her own, and I actually know her. So when she's on CyberCity, and she has exclusive content for CyberCity, she starts to draw her own people into the whole thing.
So I think, and I'm sorry to stop you, so
okay.
that is the comment. You don't explain at any point what is the value of other people contributing the content to somebody's website. You don't explain that because it does give you the SEO value, because it does give you the value that somebody famous is going to come and comment, and maybe more people are going to come in. You know what I mean? So
If I may just say, we have that for the customer page.
you need to have it for the VC page too.
Okay, we got to
Okay.
Okay, Val, if you want to say something, and then we're on time.
I think you have an interesting concept, but you know, just talking about it from the econometrics perspective, it's like freeloaders buying from freeloaders. That's the econometrics aspect of it. But you have something there. I'd like to speak to you and understand a bit better. And I think you guys know your niche quite well. Cyberpunk is a huge niche. Steampunk is a huge niche. Tattoo magic is a huge niche. But I'm not sure about your concept. I mean, there's something about it. I mean, imagine if these people are getting points, like instead of buying stuff. So the people who are going to cut to a site are people who are just basically earning points. They're not giving you money, and that's the whole problem. It's like web rings. Yeah, a lot of, but there is something that is just too confused in the presentation to have any sensible reply.
I do need to provide feedback. Remember back 10 plus years ago, social media, when Facebook was really just starting, had like different social media platforms, worked by Google and all the others. So you basically are building a closed community. What you need to show is why would people come into that community? Why did a billion people come to Facebook and then to WordPress? That's the answer. I don't have an answer for you, but that's something that you need to provide. Why would people actually use this? And
Actually, we have an answer, but
here.
I can tell you later if you
Right.
really want to know.
Thank you.
Who wants next? 4, yeah.